Good morning, students. Today our topic is choosing mail merge. Clear? In business, it is often required to send letters with similar information to different people. Clear? The letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So changing the address each time would be a very long process and a big wastage of time and effort. Clear? So mail merge is a feature to combine a data source with the main document. Now, what is the time? What is a data source and what is a main document? Clear? Now, data source. Data source consists of mailing list, for example, name, address, city, PIN. These are the fields also. Clear? The data is organized in tabular form along with the field names like this. This is our this is our table. This is our data source. Clear? And name, address, city, pin, telephone number, these are the fields. Clear? The data source is associated with the main document. Clear? So its fields names can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge addresses along with the main document. Clear? Now what is a main document? It contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Next is main document. Merge field. It is a data item such as name, address, city, pin, etc. which instructs MS Word where to insert the data source in the main document. Clear? So mail merge involves three basic steps. First is creating a main document. Second is specifying a data source. Third is merging the data source with the main document. So first of all, we have to create a main document. For that, we have to open Word. Clear? Write here any application. Suppose I am writing here like this. I want to wish to send. Clear? So after that you have to click on mailing tab to create a mail merge. After that there is an option of start mail merge. Click on this. There is an option of step by step mail merge be chart. Clear? And you click on this, on the right hand side a task pane will be appear. Click on letters option. After that click on this option, next starting document. Clear? After that click on use the current document and again click on next select recipient. Clear? And a task again these options are here and click on type a new list and click on create button. When you click on create button, a dialog box will be appearing here with all the fields. Click on customize columns. Clear? From here you can also add a new fields and from you can also delete the unrequired fields. Clear? The fields that you want require here, you can also delete that field. Suppose I delete these fields. Clear? That you don't want. Clear? After deleting these fields, clear, you have to click on OK button. Clear? Then fill the data here. Suppose I fill the data here, name, after that city, clear, after that state, clear, after that phone number. Next record again, fill, clear, fill the roll number here. Suppose I fill these two entries. After that click on OK button. When you click on OK button, dialog box will be appear. Save, it wants the name. Clear? Fill the name and click on save option. Clear? New dialog box will be appearing here. Clear? Suppose I don't want to send to all the recipients. Clear? Suppose I want to send a particular recipients. Clear? Then जिस भी person को आप send नहीं करना चाहते हो बेटा, then unmark from here. Clear? If you want to send to all, then mark here. Clear? After that click on OK button. When you click on OK button, clear, after that click on next step. Clear? Click on this next slide one letter. When you click on this, clear, after that now we have to insert the merge fields. For that you have to click on mailing tab. In the mailing tab there is an option of Insert merge fields. First off, select the location where you want to select merge the fields. Clear. Click on this option. Clear, and click on merge fields like this. Clear. All the fields are merged here. Clear. See. Clear. Suppose if I want to see the next entry, then click on these buttons like my entry and this one's entry. Two entries are there. Clear. Like this way we can we can add our recipients in the main document. Means we can merge our documents with the main document. Clear. After that we have to